Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, your home for cutting-edge military tech and armored engineering from around the globe. Today, we're diving into one of the most formidable main battle tanks of modern warfare, the 2025 T-90S. An evolved beast from the Russian T-series, this upgraded variant brings serious firepower, advanced protection, and modern electronics to the battlefield. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the T-90S commands respect with its aggressive, low-profile silhouette. The hull and turret are reinforced with a mix of composite armor and Contact 5 explosive reactive armor, providing protection against both kinetic and chemical threats. The turret's sleek contours reduce radar signature, while slat armor at the rear defends against RPG attacks. Mounted on the turret is the 125mm smoothbore cannon, capable of firing standard rounds, anti-tank guided missiles, and high-explosive shells. Alongside, there's a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a 12.7mm remote-controlled anti-aircraft machine gun, perfect for engaging aerial threats and infantry. Now let's move inside. Despite its rugged exterior, the T-90S interior is a blend of compact engineering and crew-focused design. It's operated by a three-man crew: a commander, gunner, and drive array with a carousel autoloader, eliminating the need for a loader. Digital displays, thermal imaging systems, and an upgraded fire control system give the crew a high degree of situational awareness. The commander's station includes a panoramic sight with day and night capabilities, allowing target detection at extended ranges. All seats are blast attenuating, improving crew survivability in case of mine explosions or direct hits. Performance-wise, the 2025 T-90S is no slouch. Powered by a turbocharged V92S2F diesel engine pushing out 1,130 horsepower, it can reach speeds up to 70 km/h on road and tackle the toughest terrain with ease. Its upgraded suspension system and wide tracks allow for impressive mobility in mud, sand, or snow. The tank features a snorkel system for deep fording operations, and it can traverse water obstacles up to 5 meters deep. Historically, the T-90 line has evolved since its introduction in the early 1990s. The T-90S represents decades of iterative improvements, balancing firepower, protection, and cost-effectiveness. Used by several nations, including India and Algeria, the platform continues to prove its relevance in modern armored warfare. The 2025 upgrade brings it into the digital battlefield with enhanced networking, counter-drone tech, and improved communications. It's a perfect fusion of Soviet engineering roots and modern military requirements. Thanks for watching Next Gen Mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most powerful machines. See you in the next one.